Hello, Junior 3. How are you today? Okay, today we're going to work with the mummy with no name and simple past. So far we've read chapter 1, 2, and 3. And today we are going to create questions using simple past, but they will be about the book. So let's see how we're going to do that. Good. Remember that while creating questions in simple past, we have two types of questions. The ones that we answer with yes, no, these are the yes, no questions, and the ones that are WH questions. For example, where did Geronimo live? What did Bugsy Wugsy do? But today we're going to create the yes, no questions, okay? These yes, no questions are the ones that start with did. So the first word that we need to write to start creating our question is did, as it is here, down here. So did. Now we're going to choose a character. We are going to choose Geronimo, Bugsy Wugsy, Sweetfur, or Benjamin. And here we have all these verbs in yellow. Remember that while creating questions in simple past, the word that will be in simple past is did. So we are not going to put the verb in the past. We need to put it in infinitive. Remember that did and past never ever go together. So here we have drink, drink, hug, when you hug a friend, skip, like when you skip the rope, grab, I will grab my pen, receive, when you receive a call or when you receive a message in your phone, when you call someone, when you screech, when you shout very, very loud, ah, like that, when you nod, when you say, when you shake your head, ooh, and when you stare. So you are going to choose one of the characters and one verb in infinitive. So did Geronimo drink tea? Or did Geronimo drink hot cocoa? Or whatever you like. Remember, these questions are about chapter 1, 2, and 3. Okay, let's do it together. So I will go to my copybook. I will start writing here the date at the top, the day number, simple past, interrogative form, did is going to be the title. And then what I need to do here is to create 5 questions about chapter 1, 2, and 3 using the following verbs. Do we need to use all these verbs? No. You have all these options to choose. You only need to choose 5. It can be 2 from chapter 1, 1 from chapter 2, and 2 from chapter 3, all of chapter 1, all of chapter 3, all of chapter 2, whatever you like, but only 5 questions, okay? So here I've already written down the first one. I chose the verb receive, and the past is received, okay? So I started writing did is our first word in simple past. Did Geronimo receive a message? And let's see, what do I have to do next? Now, ask these questions to a friend and write down his or her answer. Okay, I know. I will call Miss Vero, so maybe she knows if Geronimo received a message. So, did Geronimo receive a message? Let's call Miss Vero. Hello, Miss Vero. How are you?
Hi, Miss Sol. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm just working on today's homework, and we have to create 5 questions using some of all these verbs. We have all these verbs here to have many options, and I chose this one. Look, the one that says receive, received. So I created this question. Did Geronimo receive a message? And then here it says that I need to call a friend and write down his or her answer. So would you like to answer to this question?
Yes, of course, Miss Sol. I'm going to check in the book. Can you ask me again?
Yes, I will ask you again. You can check in chapter 1, 2, and 3. And
Good.
the question is, did Geronimo receive a message?
Found it. Yes, he did.
Good.
He
That's
received a message from Professor Sansnout.
great. I will write it down, Miss Meadow. Yes,
Yes.
he did. There.
There. Is it okay, Miss Sol?
Let's see. You said, yes, he did, full stop. I think it means yes. He received a message from Professor Sansnout. I think it's okay. Just in case, I'm going to highlight here with a different color the verbs, oh, I cannot do it. Only the verbs that are in simple past. So received, because it is in the past, and he did, because it also means that it happened in the past. Good. I think it is okay. So
Yes.
thank you for answering this question, Miss Vero.
You're welcome.
Okay, children, have you seen how we solve this? Well, you have to do all the same, choosing 5 verbs to create 5 questions. Well, see you around. Thank you, Miss Vero. Bye-bye.